today we're gonna bring a box, and this is an exercise box. If you guys seen these at the gym where people jump on them, do pushes on them, this one could carry a lot of weight. I'm gonna put it on the description here how much weight you can carry, but we're gonna put it together, and out of the box is really heavy because it's really thick wood. Put it together could be one person, but it is heavy. Just be cautious when you carry this, all right? So let's put it together and see how it works. If you guys can see, they give you the screws, they give you the Allen wrench to put it together. So you don't need, out of the box, you don't need any tools. Just to let you guys know, this side, the outside is gonna be more like it has some special paper, like sandpaper kind of thing, so it could be rough. The inside of the actual box, it's the smooth part, all right? You don't wanna put the smooth part on the outside, right? Just make sure you're aware of that. So we're done with the top. I'm gonna screw in this part. Make sure that this is stable right in the center, because that's where you're gonna screw it in after you cover it up or before. All right, so these things didn't need screw, only one screw needed.
What's up, guys? Check out this VEVOR jump box. This is great for doing box jumps workouts. It has different heights. You have a 24-inch, a 20-inch, which is this one right here. Obviously 24 would be a little bit taller, and then actually we could do 30, which is like the pro level, super high up. So great for doing jump workouts, which are really good for you. And yeah, very sturdy. Seems like it's made of wood, has a nice grip material on top to keep everything stable. So go ahead, check it out.